Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. TVJ News understands that businesses are again finding it difficult to raise enough US dollars since yesterday. Several businessmen have confided that they're again finding it difficult to purchase sufficient US dollars they need for their operation. However, the central bank says it's not aware of any shortage, but conceded that a short disruption could occur in certain parts of the island. The Bank of Jamaica also told the Business Day that the problem could also reside with the dealers themselves, who sometimes refuse to sell to certain clients for personal reasons. Just recently, the central bank intervened in the market, selling $80 million US to bring about stability. Meanwhile, the US dollar traded at $126.89. Currency trading ended with the greenback selling for $126.77. The Canadian dollar closed at $93.62. Sterling went for $167.02, while the euro is being sold for $141.72. The JC index lost 859 points today, while the junior market index is up 21 points. Among the winners today were Pulse Investments, Consolidated Bakeries, Jetcon Corporation, T-Tech, and G-West Corporation. On the losing side were 138 Student Living, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Burrito Investments, CAC 2000, and Everything Fresh. And that's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.